Are you looking for a powerful inverter generator that can handle practically everything? Hi, let me introduce you to the KS6000 IESCO inverter generator from the German brand Könner Söhnen that is successfully sold in over 20 European countries and tested by the demanding European consumers. The KS6000 IESCO is a high-quality, reliable and powerful gasoline inverter generator with an electric start based on a durable KNS engine. With a starting power of 5,500 watts and a running power of 5,000 watts, it offers several advantages, making it an excellent solution. This is an excellent choice for backup power for your home, household appliances, and power tools, including the sensitive electronic equipment. And it's also ideal for mobile commerce, outdoor events, and travel. Thanks to its economic mode of operation, you can save up to 50% of fuel. The generator has a low noise level of only 64 decibels, equipped with an electric start, a multifunctional LED display, CO sensor, powerful outlets. It is simple and easy to use, making it an excellent assistant at home, at work, during leisure, or while traveling. The KS6000 IESCO is a part of the inverter generator series, which includes models ranging from 1,800 watts to 500 and 500 watts. The Könner Söhnen equipment is manufactured under the control of the German engineers and passed many tests in Germany. It has all the necessary quality certificates, both of European and American. Now let's talk about this model in more detail. The integrated advanced electronic block with microprocessor control ensures a stable sinusoidal output voltage of 120 volts at 60 Hz. The voltage is suitable and reliable for the operation of modern sensitive technology. The KS6000 IESCO generator has the powerful KNS engine, specially designed for Könner Söhnen by German engineers. KNS engines are known for their high productivity, long-term stable performance, and increased durability. The generator's high-quality alternator with 100% copper winding can withstand maximum loads without any damage. The 3-in-1 multifunctional engine switch enables the generator to start easily and conveniently, combining the functions of the fuel valve, the air choke, and engine electric start button. The KS6000 IESCO generator is equipped with all the necessary protective functions, including a CO sensor that controls levels of carbon monoxide. This generator has also an overload protection, the short circuit protection, low oil level protection, and monitoring of all the operating indicators. Eco mode can save up to 50% of fuel, extending the engine's service life and making the generator work more quietly. Additionally, the generator panel includes a multifunction LED display 10-in-1 that shows voltage, frequency, and working hours, a reset button for system control reset and power supply restoration, two 20 amp sockets, a powerful 30 amp 120 and 240 volts socket, USB-A and USB Type-C Quick Charge 3.0, a standard car 12-volt socket, a charging port for the internal battery. The KS6000 IESCO model weighs only 86.9 pounds, which is excellent for the generator of this power. The generator comes with a transportation kit, including 2 wheels and a handle, and it also has an additional handle on top for a short-distance transport. This is a high-quality and extremely convenient generator, the reliability of which has been appreciated by many European consumers. The Könner Söhnen KS6000 IESCO generator is equipped with a spark plug wrench, screwdriver, and fit-in funnel. Our equipment's quality and reliability have been acknowledged by international experts and prestigious accolades. If you purchase the KS6000 IESCO generator from the Könner Söhnen brand, you'll have a chance to make sure that German quality and traditions are available for everyone.